वेलकम टू कंप्यूटर का फंडे यूट्यूब चैनल। जल्दी से जल्दी इस वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो नीचे दिए गए लाल सब्सक्राइबर बटन पर क्लिक करें और साथ ही दिए गए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि हमारी मजीद अपडेट्स आप तक पहुंच सकें।
Montana, 1880.
Bite some jerky and collect your gear. Time to earn our pay. Come on. The more game we bag, the more we get paid. Let's get moving.
Right behind you, Paul.
Elk bed. I can smell them. Tracks are fresh. Come on. There he is. Got him. Quail. Promised the cook I'd bring him some. Shoot when I flush him out. Wait here while I stir up them birds. We're gonna need at least 3. Nice shot. It's better to stay back from where I stir up the birds so they's all in front of you. Well, hey, you're pretty good with that iron. See if you can take down the next group with your quick draw. That was too easy. Now try to... It's better to stay back. It's all in front.
What's next?
We're burning daylight. Let's go hunt us some elk. You hear that, boy? Wolves. Get ready. It ain't time to leave. Get back over here. You're looking real sharp, boy. Mangy bastards. Okay, back to business. Follow close and keep quiet. Don't fall off the ledge. Spook the herd. All right, you made it. Remember, don't fall off. Come here. Use your sights to get a closer look. We're gonna need to bag at least 2 of these elk. He's getting the hang. Good one. right, you got him. That'll be enough. Come on, let's go collect our kills. Whoa. Come on, Cole, that's our beat. God damn it, we gotta keep him off our kills. Hear that, boy? Ha, you show him. Shit, there's more over here. Make sure every last wolf in the area is dead. Use your knife when you get in close. That's it. Deader than hell. That seems to be the last of them.